In this video, I'm going to show you how to build a website using Lovable. First things first, if you haven't signed up for Lovable yet, all you need to do is click on the first link in this video's description, which will redirect you to the official Lovable website. Once you're here, click on Get Started and sign up with a completely new account. Once you sign up, you'll get 25 credits absolutely for free, so you can start building your first project. Once you land on the dashboard, you'll see the prompt box right in the center. Here, all you need to do is enter the prompt for the website you want to build. The entire game of building websites with Lovable comes down to the prompt, so the better and more detailed your prompt, the better your results will be. In my case, I want to build a gym website, so I'll paste my prompt. I generated this prompt using ChatGPT, but you can use other LLMs as well. My prompt says, build a modern premium fully responsive gym website with a sleek black, white, and neon green theme using React, Next.js, Tailwind CSS, and Framer Motion. Include a full-screen hero section with strong call-to-action buttons and sections for About, membership plans, classes, trainers, gallery, testimonials, contact, FAQ, a BMI calculator, and a booking form for free trials and personal training. Add smooth animations, glass morphism, dark mode, sticky navigation, a floating WhatsApp button, and SEO optimization. Integrate Supabase for authentication and data storage, and create an admin dashboard to manage members, trainers, classes, bookings, gallery, and blog posts. The final result should feel like a high-end fitness brand with a fast, polished, and production-ready user experience. So that's the prompt. And let's say you're not sure how to write prompts inside Lovable. You can head to the documentation page, go to the Prompting Best Practices section, and read through the whole article, which gives you the best practices for generating high-quality websites with Lovable. Once you've entered your prompt, you'll see a plus icon below it. Here you can attach different files. Let's say you have a website inspiration or any reference you want to implement, you can simply attach those images or files and ask Lovable to implement that style. Other than that, you've got two options here. You can either select Build, which directly builds your website, or use the Plan option, which discusses the approach before building. If you already know what you're going to build, you can start directly with the Build option, though it may still ask you a few questions. I'd recommend going with the Plan option as it lets you customize your website according to your needs. Once you're done, simply press Enter. Now Lovable will start working on our project. Since we selected the Build option, it will start by asking us a few questions, so let's wait for it. Alright, now it's asking, this is a large build. Should I deliver it all in one pass or start with the public marketing site, Hero, About, FAQ, and add authentication plus the admin dashboard in a second pass? Since this is a big website, it's going to consume a lot of credits. So let's say we select the public site first. This will take less time and consume fewer credits. Now it's asking, where should free trial and personal training booking submissions go? A Supabase table, email notifications, or both? Let's say I just want a Supabase table for now, since we only want to build the MVP version. Next, do you have real content, gym name, logo trainers, class list, photos, or should I use high-quality placeholder content and AI-generated imagery you can swap later? If you already have the images, you can select I'll provide content and upload everything. Or you can select Use Placeholders and edit those images later. You can also type your own answer right here. I'll select Use Placeholders and click Next. Now, how should admin access work, role-based or an email allow list? I'll select role-based for now. Once you've selected all your options, click on Review, and it will show all the generated questions along with the answers we've given. Once you're satisfied with all the answers, simply click Submit. Now it's reading through our answers and planning the scope and architecture. Let's wait a moment until the next step starts. Alright, as you can see, on the right side, it has now generated an entire plan for us. It starts with the basic prompt of building a gym website at the top. Then it has some design direction, including the palette, typography, feel, and other details. After that, you've got details about the page sections, such as the landing page components, the backend, SEO assets, and more. This is a completely editable canvas, so if you want to add something, you can simply type it out here and make changes to your plan. Since I'm satisfied with the plan the AI generated, I'll click on the Approve option. Now comes the real part, where it starts building our entire website. We've completed the planning part, and it has now started building the website for us. Let's wait a while for it to finish, and we'll be right back. All right, so it looks like it has finished building our website. On the right side, you can see a preview, and it looks very professional. You can even see a messages option at the bottom, along with the animations it's showing. If I scroll down, you can take a look at the entire website. You can see the animated numbers right here. Then you've got the membership section, and the color combination it used there looks very cool. It's the neon green we asked for. It has created 3 plans for us. If I scroll down further, you've got the classes section, which shows the different classes the gym offers. Then there are the coaches. These are the people who run the gym, and these are all AI-generated images. You can see how cool the animation looks when I hover over them. The black and white images turn colored. These images are completely customizable, so you can replace them with the real trainers at your gym. Then you've got the gallery, which shows some photos of the gym, followed by testimonials from members. Then there's the BMI calculator. You can simply enter your height and weight, and you'll see how cool the animation and color combination look. This is a fully working BMI calculator that we asked it to build. Next, we have the booking form, which asks you to start either a free trial or personal training. Then there's the FAQ section, and finally a contact option. We've also got a nice photo at the bottom, and at the top we have a few navigation options. So if I click on trainers, you can see how cool the animation looks as it takes us right to that section of the website. So this is the website we created with just a single prompt, and it has implemented all the features we asked for. While building this website, though, we ran out of credits. So let's say you want to build on top of this and add more features. If you ask it to add more, it will prompt you to upgrade to one of the paid plans. If you want to keep building, you can always upgrade to a paid plan, which starts at just $5. But I think the free plan will be enough to build your first project. Now comes the part where we publish this website, but before that, we've got a few options at the top. Here you can see the files generated inside your website. Then there's the code option, which shows the entire code base for your project. You can open any code file and look at the code. You can also download individual code files or connect your Lovable account to GitHub. I've already created a detailed video showing how to connect your Lovable account to GitHub and download your entire code base, which I'll link in the description below. Then there's the More section, which shows analytics and cloud. In our case, we've used Lovable Cloud to store all of our data. So whenever we fill in any of the forms, let me go back to the website. If I go to the membership section and then to the free trial option, I'll fill in this form with some dummy info. I'll enter a preferred date, say June 30th, set the main goal to building strength, and select Beginner. Then I'll click Book My Session. As you can see, it shows a pop-up saying, Booking received, we'll be in touch in 24 hours. Now, if I go back to the More section, then to Cloud, and into Bookings, it takes a moment to open. As you can see, I submitted this form 3 times, and all of that data has been collected here in the backend. This is the benefit of using Lovable Cloud. You get all these options right inside Lovable. You can also connect your Supabase account to collect all your data. I've created a separate video showing how to connect Supabase to a Lovable project, which is also linked in the description. So this is how you can store your backend data as well. Other than that, here you have the option to select different views for your project. You can choose the mobile view or tablet view and see how your website looks in each. As you can see, this entire website is highly interactive and works on mobile as well. You can also see all the different pages from this dropdown and switch between them from here. Then there's the Share option, where you can share this project with your friends or team and invite collaborators to build together. Now comes the main part, publishing this website. Inside Lovable, you can publish your websites absolutely for free with a Lovable subdomain. To do that, simply click on the Publish option. As you can see, this is the website URL it has generated for us. You also have an Edit option where you can enter any name you want, for example, the name of your gym. So let's say I make some changes here and click the check mark. Those changes will be applied to the website. You can also add a custom domain, but you'll need a pro plan for that, which you can upgrade to starting at just $5. Once you've selected your URL, simply click Continue. Here you can select who you want the website to be visible to. You can choose public, only the people in your workspace, or selected members. I'll select public and click Continue. Now you can add a name to your website and upload an icon that will be visible on the browser tab whenever people open your site. You can add a description here, and you can also upload a social image. You'll get a preview of how your website will look once it's live on the internet. For now, I'll leave everything blank and click Continue. Now you've got the option to review and publish. The URL is set, the visibility is set, but the website info is missing, and there are also a couple of security issues. You can click on those and try to fix them. Since we've run out of credits, we'll skip this part and go right to publishing. Once I click the Publish option, we'll wait a few seconds for the publishing process to complete. Alright, as you can see, our app is live and successfully published to the internet. This is the URL of your website. You can simply click on View App, and it will open a new tab with our entire published website. So as you can see, this is the website, PulseFitness, and if I scroll down, you'll see all the features we implemented. It looks completely professional. It's hard to tell whether a human made it or an AI. It has done a great job building this website and followed all the instructions and prompts we gave it. In this way, you can create any kind of website for any kind of business, add a backend to it, and publish it on the internet completely for free. So that was all about how you can create a website on Lovable. And if you want to keep building on top of this, you can always upgrade to one of the paid plans. To do that, simply click on the Upgrade button at the top, and it will take you to the pricing section. Here, you can select either the Pro plan or the Business plan, and you can also adjust the number of credits you want. Let's say I want 100 credits. I'll simply click Upgrade. It will cost us $25 per month and take us to a Stripe checkout page. Now you can enter your payment details and complete the payment. If you haven't signed up for Lovable yet, use the first link in the description to sign up using a new email and get 25 credits absolutely for free. So that was it. If you want to know how to get free credits on Lovable, simply click on the video appearing on your screen.